All right, guys, got a 2017 Ford Mustang GT350. It's got long tube headers, high flow cats, X-pipe, and we just did a muffler delete on it. Took the stock muffler off, new muffler in, Y pipe, reuses valves. Show you guys. Anyways, long tube headers there, long tube headers there, high flow cat there, high flow cat there. So we didn't install any of this up here. All we did was work at the back there, and then there's the X-pipe all the way down, and then right here on each side is the rear muffler delete right there and right there. Like I said, reuse this valve right there. Right there. And they've got built-in tips, so just tied it back in, tips right there, right there. And there it is, straight pipe with an X pipe. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 17 Ford Mustang GT350. Straight pipe. Sound decibels on idle. Sound decibels. One more time. 119 that time. All right, go ahead and back it out. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '17 Ford Mustang GT350. Long tube headers, high flow cats, X-pipe, muffler delete.
Here we go, guys. So my guy recorded everything else. Wow. He said he wanted it loud. What do you guys think of that sound? That was a cold start right there. GT350. That diesel trying to catch up. Really? That's funny. That sounded bad ass though. It's so loud. Enjoy, guys.